Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Good morning, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday video, and that is where you guys get to show off what's in your carts, and I get to show them off in this video. And then we get to see what kind of projects I have going on for the rest of this week and for the weekend. So grab you a cup of coffee. I'm drinking vanilla, Starbucks vanilla coffee, and it is so good. I just love this. So yeah, sit back and relax, grab you something to drink, grab you something to eat, a little snack, whatever, and let's just take a look at all these wonderful carts, and we'll get to see what's on my cart. Okay, here we have Kelly's cart. She has some Afghans and another basket from my tutorial and a circular vest for her granddaughter's birthday that's coming up in a few weeks, and possibly a baby blanket. That sounds awesome, Kelly. Okay, here we have Julie's cart, and she's working on a poncho and a scarf, which is made from sock yarn, and both of those yarns are from Hobie. The middle shelf has a corner-to-corner baby blanket, and it is a Bag O' Days corner-to-corner moss stitch pattern. That sounds interesting. She's also still working on her hairpin lace cardigan, and the bottom still has the blanket. And she did a few rows on the blanket. Good for you, Julie. Everything just looks wonderful. Julie has a YouTube channel, guys. You need to go check it out. I will leave her link below. I just watched her latest video, and it's titled Projects on Her WIP Cart. And oh my gosh, Julie, I'm so glad you did that video, because I got to see those projects come to life on video. Now here we have Sarah's cart. She says she has 9 projects. Whoa, you sound a lot like me, Sarah. 3 mosaic blankets, 2 tops, granny squares, stitch a week, hugs a free shawl, and 100 towels CAL, which means crochet along. Wow, that's a lot of cool stuff. I like the way you got it stacked up nice and neat, though. I could never have mine that neat. Okay, now we have Patsy's cart. She says the top shelf is pot holders, little shelf basket, and dishcloth. And the middle shelf is her first Annie's kit for the mandala Afghan, and cotton yarn for more kitchen items for her niece. That's so sweet. And the bottom shelf is my pattern basket that she's working for her niece. So that's the basket that I will be talking about in today's video. And there is a tutorial on that. And I love the basket color, Patsy. Great job on that. Isn't that just wonderful? I love when you guys send in your cards. So please do that. I love it, and everyone else loves it. It's just so much fun. So if you haven't sent yours in yet, you can do it by email, or you can post it in the Facebook group page. Either way, because we like looking at all the pretty yarns and all the pretty projects. All right, so one of the things that I did finish yesterday, let me show you the little clip real quick. Okay, so this is the cowl that I made, and I assume that's what you call it, a neck wrap, whatever. I'm not really sure, but I'm calling it a cowl, I guess. Anyway, this is what I made, and the pattern will come out this week, or actually come out today. I've just got to get my photos on it. I've already got it all written up. It's about 43 inches long and 5 inches wide. And here's what it looks like, full length. And then all you do is do like that and put it over your head. And there you go. And you just kind of fix it up. You know, you can do the cut. One good thing about this one is, since it changed colors, I was able to you know, kind of pick the color that I wanted to go in the back, and, you know, whatever. You can do that with it. But anyway, be looking for that pattern today, and this one will go on sale in my Etsy shop as well. Okay, so that is the cowl, I guess that's what you call it, that I made. I had this much yarn left out of, I think it was 197 yards on here. Yes, 197 yards. So I'm thinking I probably used about 180 yards. This is 70% acrylic and 30% wool. So that is something more you would want to wear in the winter because it has a little bit of wool in it. It's a medium full weight. This yarn, I'm pretty sure was given to me. I just can't remember from who, so I apologize for that. But this is Universal Yarn Classic Shades. And it's a nice yarn. I like this. Knit, relax, smile, repeat, it says. And it is machine washable. Yes, machine washable. So this was my scene for August. Usually I get this done like the last 3 days of the month. But I was so excited to start on this one that I got it done on, today's August the 3rd. So I finished it August the 2nd. But here it is. Yeah, let's do this one. There we go. How's that look? That's my interpretation of using these colors. I just happened to find the right skein. Okay, so I'm going to get this right this time. And I apologize for not getting this right in my last few videos. But this is the Scenic Beauty Calendar, Scenic Beauty CAL 2022. And it's going on all year long. And it's hosted by 3 lovely ladies. It is Butterfly Dreams, Linda Simpson, and Steals the Show, Chef Crochet, and more. I'm pretty sure I got it right that time. And like I said, I apologize, ladies, for messing up on the names. But anyway, they're wonderful ladies. I will leave their links below because you will want to check out their channels. But yeah, that's my thing for August. So let's see what September is. Let's see. Might as well look ahead, right? More purples. Purples are so hard to match, but the gold in here is going to be easy. Here we go. That is September. I could do the gold and black for sure, but I'm going to have to somehow figure out how to get a little bit of purple mixed in there. Only 4 months to go, guys. And I will have done this whole calendar. That was so much fun. Ladies, I'm so glad that you thought of doing this and putting this together for us. I'm enjoying it. Next thing is I got my next doll pattern out. And I put some little bobble stitches down here for her. And here's her shoes. And they have like a little split right here. And the dress buttons in the back. This is the little sweater. And I made it to where it stays open like that. It's so cute like that. And it buttons right here. And I will show you the dress. So here's the little dress. Nice spring summer. This is called the Robbie Lynn spring. I think it's either spring or summer dress. I can't remember. But it's the Robbie Lynn dress. So as you know, if you're new to my channel and don't know, I do create doll clothes for the 18-inch and 14-inch dolls. And I will be making this for the 14-inch. So guys, be aware of that there will be a 14-inch one in this as well. Where you can find these patterns, I'll leave the link below. They are in my Etsy shop. This will be up in my Etsy shop as well. So if you're looking for a nice winter cowl, you may want to purchase this. Let's see. Put it on like this. And I take this right here. All I do is I take this right here, twist it, and put it on like this. And it is ready to go. You are all set. And that's all there is to it. So, and you can even take this. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to stretch it out. But if it's yours, you could take it and tie it in a little knot. So there are a couple ways that you can wear this. Like I said, it's 43 inches long and 5 inches wide. Yes, I forgot to mention, that outfit is done with a G-hook. And I used big twist yarn for that. White, and I believe that's royal blue. varsity blue. So we have varsity blue and white. Okay, so you guys know how much I enjoy making these booties, right? I do have a pattern. It is the sock monkey pattern. But I have this written. I just don't have it in my Etsy shop yet. So I will try to get the written pattern in my Etsy shop. I just have the tutorial posted. So you can go to the tutorial and watch this. But I will put this in my Etsy shop. And it sizes a child size 1 all the way up to an adult 11, I believe. 10.5 to 11, something like that. Anyway, so what I'm doing now, I'm fixing to be working on, I call these booties, slippers, whatever. But in my family, we call them booties. I need some new booties. I don't know why. They're not the baby booties, but they are little slippers. But for some reason, we like to call them booties. Well, I am completely out. They do, since they're acrylic, they do on the underneath, like on the bottom, they do start getting a hole in them over time. And they do eventually kind of stretch out after a couple of years. So I make these all the time. Well, I'm completely out. And so I've got to make myself some. And so since I am out, I thought maybe if you want to join me, you can. We can call it a crochet along if you want to. I'm going to call it Booties in a Basket, because I'm going to make a basket and I'm going to put all my booties in them. And they're going to go in my closet on one of my shelves. And so when I need a booty, I just run in there in my little basket and grab me a pair of booties. And so I am going to use one of my scrap baskets. There's all this yarn. It's overflowing again. That means I need to make another scrap basket. So I figured I would just make a basket for the booties. And that way all my booties will stay there. If you want to join in on this, let's do this. I have a basket tutorial. I'll leave the link below. You can make your basket. Showing off quite a few pairs of slipper/booties because I need some. Winter's getting here, and my little thin socks running around the house, it's not going to cut it. So yeah, if you want to join me, let's go ahead, and you can be posting pictures in my Facebook group page. I'm going to start with my basket first, and like I said, it's going to be starting with all this scrap yarn because my basket's getting full. And so yeah, anything that's in that basket, I don't pay attention to picking out the colors. I just grab without looking and attach the colors to each other, and then I just keep going with it. Now here's one. This is done with some bulky yarn. So it's full. There's a project in here. This was given to me by one of you lovely subscribers about a year ago. And it's a part of like an Annie's kit. Well, I haven't made this yet, but I'm wanting to. So I have it in my basket here. It comes with a doll. And now I'm really glad I saved this because I have a granddaughter coming. So I'm really, really glad I saved this and did not make it and give it to someone else in the family because I'm going to need this. But it's a Mary Maxim kit, and it comes with the yarn right here and a pattern to make a dress for this little doll. And apparently a little blanket too, but looky there. This is what it comes with. So with this pattern, I can make several little outfits for this doll. And so anyway, I'm excited about that. So I'm really glad that I saved this, and because now I'm going to need it. Okay guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. With patience. If we hope for what we do not see, we wait for it with patience. That's Romans 8:25. Faithful one, the mark of your loyal love is all over my life. I could not deny that your power has moved in and through me in many ways. You speak and the lights come on. You move and my heart feels as if it could fly. In the mundane, I see you. I see you in the way the flowers bloom in the spring, growing swiftly after the rains. I see you in the way children readily forgive, just wanting peace and the joy of restored relationship. As I count the ways I have seen your faithful character at work in my life, the answered prayers and desires. I can't help but be filled with courage as I look towards the future. My hope is in what I cannot see, yet my faith is in the one whose mark is all over my life. Lord, may I be patient in hope, knowing that your timing is perfect. Thank you that I don't need to make this happen. I rest in your unfailing love that carries me through. What do you do when your patience is running thin? I really needed this one today. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a wonderful, blessed Wednesday, and live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.